promise I'll try every day for the rest of my life to make you happy, make you laugh. Every night before I go to sleep, I'll kiss you in the head and tell you that I love you. I'll always be your person and here for you no matter what. And a constant reminder for you that things will always be okay as long as we're together. I will always be there to hold your hand and to be by your side in all of our adventures, no matter where we end up. I promise to always smile, laugh, love and cry with you. And I love you always, Infinity+1.
Craig, there's a Gaelic saying, "To my Craig Steganat," which translates, "My heart is in you." This has been the case since we met as teenagers, but I swear to live my life with you, the risk giving you my heart for you to keep safe and whole. I vow to wake up every day being thankful and knowing how lucky I am to have a man like you by my side. I'll always choose you, even when I really disagree with you. I will love you with all my heart into Infinity+1.